Friends, please press the red subscribe option and press the bell icon for my latest video updates. And if you want to see our previous videos, then click the channel name or picture below the video, then go to the video or playlist option. This is Bhuri Critical Mahabharat book chapter 286, Draupadi Vastaharan Parva Yudhishthir Dyutkira. Bhimsena replied, O Dhananjaya, had I not known that he has not done it for himself, I would forcibly have grasped his hands, means Yudhishthir, and burned them in the blazing fire. Because Bhisampayana said, on seeing the Pandavas thus miserable and Panchali's affliction, Dhritarashtra's son Vikarna spoke these words. So friends, Vikarna was a very good man. Okay. O king, answered the question posed by Yagyaseni. If we do not decide on the question, we will certainly go to hell. Bhishma and Dhritarashtra, the eldest among the Kurus, are here, but they do not say anything. Nor does the extremely intelligent Vidura, nor does Bharadwaja's son Drona, the preceptor to all of us, nor does Kripa. Why don't these best among Brahmanas answer the question? The Lord of the earth have assembled her here from all the directions. Let them forget their desire and their anger and speak according to their own thoughts. O king, reflect on the question that the beautiful Draupadi has repeatedly asked, then answer as to which side of the issue you are on. Thus did Vikarna repeatedly speak to all those who were present in the assembly hall, but none of the Lord of the earth present said anything good or bad. Vikarna again spoke to all those Lord of the earth. He rubbed his hands against each other, cited and said, O Lord of the earth, O Kauravas, whether you say anything or not, I will tell you what I think is right. O best of men, it has been said that addiction to hunting, drinking, gambling, and sexual intercourse are the four vices of kings. The man who is addicted to these debates from dharma and the world does not approve of these improper deeds. This son of Pandu was addicted to vice and challenged by deceitful gamblers stake Draupadi, the unblemished one, is common to all of the Pandavas. Having first lost himself, the Pandava offered her as stake. Subala, desirous of a stake, suggested Krishna. Krishna means Draupadi. There is four Krishna in Mahabharata. First Draupadi Krishna, second Arjun Krishna, third Balram's younger brother Krishna, and fourth Krishna Dvaipayana Vedvyas. So reflecting on all this, I do not think she has been won. On hearing these words, a great roar arose from all those who were in the Sabha. They approved of Vikarna and censured Subala. When the noise died down, Radheya, who was almost senseless with anger, Radheya means Karna, Duryodhana's friend, senseless with anger, gripped his lustrous arms and uttered these words, I have witnessed many distortion in Vikarna, like fire destroys the block from which it has been kindled. His destruction will come from the fire he has created. Through urged by Krishna, those who are assembled here have not uttered a word. I consider that Drupada's daughter has been won in accordance with Dharma. And so do they, O son of Dhritarashtra, out of childishness you alone are being turned to bits. Through but a child you speak in this Sabha what should be spoken by elders. O Duryodhana's younger brother, You do not know the reality of what is dharma. Like one with limited intelligence, you proclaim that Krishna has not been won when she has been won. O Dhritarashtra's son, how can you think that Krishna has not been won in this Sabha? The eldest Pandavas take everything he possessed, O bull among the Bharata lineage. Draupadi is included in all these possessions. When Krishna has been won in accordance with Dharma, how can you think she has not been won? Draupadi was mentioned in the speech and the Pandava approved. According to what reason do you then think that she has not been won? If you think that bringing her into the Sabha when she is clad in only a single garment is against Dharma, listen to the words I have to say in response. O descendant of the Kuru lineage, it has been ordained by the gods that a woman should only have one husband. However, she submits to many, and it is therefore certain that she is a quotation. Okay, it is my view that there is nothing surprising in her being brought into the Sabha in a single garment or even if she is naked. In accordance with Dharma, Shobhala has won all the riches the Pandavas possessed, including her and themselves. O Dushasana, this Vikarna is only a child. Through his speak words of wisdom, strip away the garments from the Pandavas and Draupadi. Okay. O descendant of the Bharata lineage, on hearing these words, the Pandavas took off their upper garments and sat down in the Sabha, O king. Then Dushasana forcibly tugged at Draupadi's garments in front of everyone in the Sabha. He forcibly pulled, O Lord of the earth, as Draupadi's garment was being tugged away. Another similar garment appeared every time. At this, a terrible uproar arose. All the assembled kings witnessed the most extraordinary sight in the world and approved. In the midst of the kings, Bhima then kneaded his hands, his lips trembling with rage. He cursed in a loud voice, O Kshatriya, O those who live in this world, hear these words of mine, never before uttered by any man and never to be uttered in the future. O Lord of the earth, having uttered these words, if I do not act accordingly, may I never tread on the path followed by my forefather in battle. I will forcibly treat asunder the breast of the evil and misguided one. So this is Draupadi Vastharan Parva and Karna's reaction.